How to use Google Keeps for notes and reminders on Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now this should also work for Google Pixel 8 and most Google Pixel devices. So this is the application, Keep Note. If you can't find it, just scroll up and type in Keep. The application should show up like this. It's in yellow. Click on it. Now here's where you can add all types of notes. So click on the plus sign. Now if you want to add an audio note or an image or a drawing or a to-do list or a text. So let's say we want to add a to-do list. So here we can just add things, check my email, and then you can add whatever items you want, and then you can exit and you will see your note here. For example, you can add a text. This is a test, and then just exit. You will see your note here. You can access your notes whenever you want, and then you can also add a drawing as a note. So you can draw whatever you want, and then or your signature, and then you can just exit and you'll see the note available. Now there's also an image. You can add an image or an audio, and it will save it right on your phone. This application is really useful because you can write down ideas right on the spot, and you can also add like shopping lists or reminders. You can even set time-based or location-based reminders, and you can sync your notes across different devices if you're signed in like to the same Google account. So that's how to use Google Keep for notes and reminders. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching.